Uh, can you cut that up, please? Dude, quit it, please. That's annoying as hell. Can you stop? Can you stop, please? Please. Dude, stop. Dude, stop. Because if I made this stop, as annoying as it is, it'd be almost as if it never even existed. Without eyes I cannot see, there is the blind I have not been seeing. What are you doing? I'd rather there be too many cooks in the kitchen than no food. I have not been looked out in infinite sight. Why are you doing it like this? That's just me, though. What's your button press? In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. End quote. Do you have one? Does it make a sound? Do you know what's even there if it makes no sound?